Nice.
I'm gonna
Oh
do
my
that
God.
again, but better.
Dude, did you see that? That was awesome.
Full speed ahead. Dun 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 dun.
No, I
dun,
missed you.
Dun dun
Ah!
dun dun dun. Oh my god, dude! I crashed and I didn't even know there was a clothing store, and I crashed my bike inside.
Whee!
Well, now I'm in a clothing store.
With your bike?
Yep. Sounds as stupid as it sounds, but it's true. Actually, I like this one a
Your
lot.
bike's not in the store. I'm taking it. I'm actually gonna take it out. Hey, bro. Hey, bro. Bro, can I put you in a tag? Hey, bro. Bro, I'm gonna fight my candy. Is there anything to blow up here? Right. Wait a minute. Oh my god! Dude! Dude! Oh, the bike's off.
This is your problem.
Why is there a phone ringing? I gotta hack something.
I got you, fam. Fam, get in the Toyota Corolla.
We need to locate the phones. Go, go, go.
I'm a getaway driver.
Oh my god, there was this car tailing us. We need to go to the phones. Go to the phones. Go to the phones. We need to go to the phones. Go.
Your final destination is here. Gotta hack
Probably should
this.
get one more.
Hacked it. Hacked it. Come on. Come on. We need to go. Come on, get in. We need to go somewhere else.
We have to hack the hacker.
No, we have to go to the other phone. Or we can't do that also.
Yeah, I know, but let me just do this.
Hold on, let me do something. No. Let's punch him. Let's punch him. Ooh, yeah. Oh, wait a minute. Let me just park the car on his body. So no one. Look at this. Look at what my guy's doing. Dude, look at what my
What
guy's
are you doing?
This is me trying to get in the car. Look. What am I doing? I'm standing over here now. And I'm still trying to get in this car.
Oh, help. No, dude, what the heck are you doing?
I can't even get in a car. Okay, there, I fixed it. Let me just drive on his dead body. Shit. Oh, I headshotted. Oh, sucker gonna get headshotted. Headshotted. Oh my god. Headshotted the driver. Headshotted that dude. Thought I headshotted the driver. I guess I need to headshot him even more. Oh god, we're gone. I'm gone. I'm dead.
Call a
I'm
getaway
burning.
driver and I'll come and
Beep,
break
beep,
you.
beep. Calling getaway driver. How do you actually, is that an actual thing?
Okay, getaway driver is approaching you.
I need help. I'm almost about to die. Getaway driver. Oh shoot, I need to protect you. Opposite roles.
Go.
I can't get in the car. Why can't I get in the car? That was ridiculous. I'm like, I can't get in the car. It's going glitchiness. Dude, come to me. I need
The getaway driver
What the heck? A cop just killed me.
is getting chased.
A cop just killed me. A cop Alright, dude, come to me, come to me, come to me. I need to protect you, or... Go! Go.
Oh, a white jacket. Now I know what I'm missing.
I know what I'm miss. Oh, it's closet stole. I need the shop.
This,
I need
I've
the
been missing.
shop.
I'm gonna go red
Ooh, look
by
at
that.
this. I want open jackets.
I want to see how my guy
Oh my
looks.
god, it's the place
He's
where I
all
got
red.
this. Oh, look at that. Oh, no. No. Yeah.
I want to make my mask kind of stand out. Yeah, that black. Or actually, yeah, that looked cool. Welcome to the new Slim. And I know that I met you, but all of the people are likely I'll catch you. Yeah, I know that I
The
met you, but all
new
the people are...
person that's here. What the heck? This driver almost killed me, crazy driver. Okay, go. We're going on a trip. No. I don't know why that came to mind. Yeah! We're going flying again! Holy crap! And again!
That was amazing. We flied. We were like eagles, but better.
How did we do that? We're going through a trip in our favorite. This car, I guess. Wait, we need to go to the phone. The phone. The phone. Nice job. Nice job. What the heck?
How are we gonna get out? There we go.
Whee! Oh, no, that didn't suck. That sucked. Whee! Go to the phone. Go to the phone. Go to the phone. Go to the phone. Hurry up.
Maybe we could take a shortcut.
Back up, back up, back up. Oh my god, what an machine. Like, over there! Over there! Oh, I see.
Okay.
I got this guy.
Oh, I didn't get to do anything. There's nothing here. That was a waste of time.
No, but there's a good car.
I found a better car. Right here. Look. I found a better car.
No, get in this.
Oh, looky, it's a van. Gotta go. It denies you! Okay, I've shut it now. Oh, you can just drive straight through it.
Who makes a road like
Just drive
this?
straight through it. Just drive straight through it. Just drive straight through it. Go up the stairs.
That should do it.
Hacked it.
Objective complete.
Ooh, we get
Getting anything
dial.
else?
Oh, you're floating! Whoa! Whoa! I'm capturing this. Whoa, you were floating. What was that?
Doesn't matter if
Dun, dun,
Oh yes, yes. We need to do this.
I just said
Yes,
Thanks. I'll check it out.
yes. We got it again. We got it again. We got it again. the bus. We
Try the bananas.
Banana time! Wait, we're doing it again! Check out my moves on top
Oh
of
my
the
god,
toilet.
it's floating.
It won't move anymore. Oh, what the? What is this? What is going on? Yeah, oh my god.